Hello everyone, I am Dr. Rituraj Dubey, BNM College Badaiya. Today we will discuss isolation method to determine the rate law and order of a reaction. These are two steps we have to follow to determine the rate law and order of the reaction. Step first, the concentration of all the reactants except one are made to remain constant throughout the course of the reaction. By taking them in large excess, the dependence of rate on the concentration of the isolated species is experimentally determined. Means, in an experiment, we have to take the concentration of all the reactants except one in a large excess so that those reactants will remain constant during the course of the reaction, and in this way we can determine the concentration of the one reactant which is not taken in large excess. And in step 2, the experiment will repeated again by isolating one of the reactants each time and determining the rate law with respect to the isolated species. Means, in the next step we will keep all the reactants in large excess except the second reactant, and so on. For example, in this reaction AA plus BB gives CC plus CD, then the rate would be K multiplied by concentration of A over X and concentration of B over Y. Now, in one reaction, now we will follow the step 1. In one reaction, A is isolated by making the initial concentration of B, if we keep it as B0, to remain constant throughout the course of the reaction. How? By taking it in large excess. Hence, this reaction equation will be changed like this: rate is equal to K A raised to power X. B0 means initial concentration which is taken in large excess, so it will remain constant. Hence, it will be equal to K dash A raised to power X, where K dash is equal to K with initial concentration of B raised to power Y, because this is taken in large excess. Now, similarly, in another experiment, B is isolated by keeping the initial concentration of A as A0. Means, in the second experiment, we will isolate B by keeping the initial concentration of A constant throughout the course of the reaction by taking it in large excess. Now, similarly, rate will be K is equal to A0 raised to power X By. In this case, we will take it K double prime B raised to power Y, where K double prime is equal to K multiplied by this. From equation 1, the dependence of rate constant A. From equation 1, the dependence of rate constant, dependence of rate on A, that is X, is found. That is X. You can see here is found out. From equation 2, the dependence of rate constant B, here Y, that is Y, is found out experimentally. Thus, by knowing the values of X and Y, here Y and from here X, by knowing the values of X and Y, the order of reaction, which is X plus Y, and the rate of law can be determined. That's all for now. We will meet in another lecture on another day. Thank you.